Want to completely clear an app's data on your computer, like resetting it back to fresh install mode? In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to delete app data on Windows. Let's start with the first method. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Once Settings opens, go to Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now, in the search bar at the top, type the name of the app you want to reset. When it appears in the list, click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down slowly, and you'll see a section called Reset. Here, click on Reset and confirm it when prompted. Windows will now clear the app data, cache, and settings, basically bringing it back to its original state, like a fresh install. Now let's move on to the second method. Press Windows key R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type this exactly, %appdata%, then press Enter. This will open a folder containing app data stored on your system. Now look for the folder of the app you want to remove data for. For example, something like OBS Studio or any other installed program. Once you find it, right-click the folder and delete it. If you don't see the app folder there, don't worry, there's another location. Open Run again, and this time type %local app data or press Enter. Now you'll see another set of app folders, which stores additional data for applications. Find the same app folder here, select it, and delete it as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.